Hey everyone, welcome back. Accessing Netflix games on your mobile phone is very easy and does not require any extra downloads outside the Netflix app. In this guide, I'll show you how to find and start playing games directly from your Netflix account step by step. First, open the Netflix app on your phone and log in into your account. Scroll down or look for the game section on the home screen where all the available methods are mobile games are listed. Then select any game you like and tap on it. You'll see an option to download or play. Tap play and the game will start automatically inside the app or open separately. Then make sure that your Netflix subscription is active because games only work for members. So also head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Netflix games or Netflix app, and then download the app to the latest version or update the app to the latest version to avoid missing the game section. Then if the game still does not appear, restart the app or long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then just delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the app and install it again. Then check your internet connection and try switching networks for a better loading speed. Some games may require additional permissions like storage or notifications. Allow them for smooth gameplay experience so you can clear cache if the app runs slowly. Then always keep your phone updated for the best compatibility and performance. Restart device if needed for the best results. Enjoy gaming.